Hi, my name is Alice Bowmaker and I'm very happy to join you today. This next meditation is for gratitude, and you can do this as a walking meditation or as a seated meditation. So when you're ready, make yourself comfortable and safe. Eyes open if you're doing the walking meditation, and perhaps eyes closed if you're in the seated or even lying meditation for today. Take a deep breath in through your nose. Hold it for just a moment. And then exhale long and slow. Take another deep breath in through your nose. Hold for just a moment. And then exhale long and slow. One more time. Inhale deeply. Hold. And exhale long and slow. Now return to your regular breathing, just as it is for you, and there's no need to change it. Imagine a soft golden light surrounding you. It shimmers and shines gently. You feel completely safe and protected, enveloped in this beautiful light. Focus on your feet as they make contact with the ground, and let the soft golden light begin to enter your feet, filling you with warmth and relaxation as you gratefully feel your feet for every step you have ever taken on this path in life, leading you to this moment right here, right now. Now feel the soft golden light begin to move up into your ankles. Feel your ankles become warm and relaxed as this light begins to move up into your calves and your shins. Feel that soft golden light move into your knees, and let the warmth fill your knees and move up into your thighs. Pay attention to the big muscles in your thighs, and with every step you take, feel grateful for the strength you have in your body. Now let the soft golden light move into your hip joints, letting your hips soften and relax, gently swaying step by step. Become aware of the warm golden light filling your abdomen. Feel a ball of golden light filling your abdominal area. Feel the warmth from the ball of light. Take a deep breath into that ball of light and feel it expand, filling you with warmth and gratitude for being you. With each breath you take, let your lungs fill with that soft golden light, expanding your gratitude for every single breath you have taken in this life. What a miraculous being you are. Let your awareness move to your hands. Feel the warm golden light. Feel every finger. Feel it fill the palm of each hand as you experience gratitude for your ability to touch, connect, and create. Let the golden light begin to move into your wrists and up your forearms, then flow into your upper arms and shoulders. Let your shoulder blades relax, feeling deeply relaxed and grateful for all that you are able to hold on behalf of yourself and others. Next, let the warm golden light enter your neck. Feel your neck and throat begin to relax. Swallow gently and feel your throat open. Feel the light as it fills your entire head and face. Let your eyes relax. Allow the little space in between your eyebrows to relax. Let your forehead relax. Let the top of the head relax. Now feel the golden light flow up through the crown of your head and down the back of your body, like a warm glow bathing your spine, vertebrae by vertebrae. And feel grateful for your backbone that's keeping you strong and true in life. Smile and enjoy feeling grateful to you for being alive right here in this moment, right now. Thank you for joining me today. It's been so wonderful to share this moment with you, and I very much look forward to connecting with you soon.